Wouldn't it be cool if you could use your Pixel phone to charge other devices like earbuds and things like that? Well, good news is you can with battery share from Pixel phones. So to enable battery share, you go into your settings menu, you click on settings, you go down to battery. And unless you're using a 7A device or another A series device, battery share will be right here on the menu. You click on battery share and you enable that. And then once you've got battery share enabled, you can actually take the device and take your QI enabled accessory, you place it on the device. You're going to want to put this on a table or something, and then it will actually charge the buds or whatever device you have, as long as it's QI enabled wirelessly. An important thing to note when using battery share is that there's a lot of heat that's kind of emitted right here. So you don't want to do this long term. Short term, you might not notice the difference, but long term, your battery is going to get degraded. So that's not something you really want. And it's going to drain the battery on your Pixel phone really fast. So there's some settings you can do. So when you go into battery share, you can put settings limiting how long you want to charge your accessory device, and use a small device like Pixel Buds or something like that. We recommend shutting it off around 40% drain on your Pixel phone. So once you get to that level, you're probably not going to want to totally drain your phone out. You're going to want to use it for other things. There's another feature that's kind of handy when you want to use battery share, is adding a quick shortcut on your phone. So to do that, you swipe down from the top there, and if you don't see it right there on the menu, on the shortcuts menu on your Pixel phone, you can click on the pencil icon, and usually you'll find it near the bottom of the list. There will be one that says battery share, and you can just drag it right up to the top, so that whenever you want to use it, you just toggle it on, place your device on a table or wherever, place the accessory right on top of it, just like that, and then just let it charge up. So when this thing charges, when the device, the accessory is fully charged, it'll just turn right off on there. Also, if you're using wireless charging with a Pixel phone and you're charging that up, it will turn off automatically. But you can get around these settings with a few adjustments if you tweak that. When your phone senses that you're using a thick case, there's poor placement, maybe you're not flat on a table, the wireless charging will also turn off in those instances, or if it's getting too hot, you don't want to just mess up your phone altogether. Wired charging is definitely more efficient, it's faster, it's cooler in terms of heat, etc. I hope this video was helpful for you. We have an article that has additional information that can be useful. Try this out if you've got a charged phone and you want to charge another device using battery share. It's a cool feature that's on most Pixel phones except for the A series. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again soon.